Hello, welcome to all. In previous lecture, we see spanning tree. In this lecture, we are going to study connector problems. That means here we are study weighted spanning tree. First, see weighted graphs. A weighted graph. Weighted graph is a graph G in which each edge E has been assigned a real number. A weighted graph E, weighted graph is a graph G in which each edge assigned a real number W of G called weight of G, called weight of E, weight of E, or it is also called length, length of E. If H is a subgroup of a weighted graph, if H is a subgroup of weighted graph, then W of H is the sum of weights. Sum of weights W of E1 plus W of E2 like this dash 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 W of EK, where E1, E2, EK are the edges of H, are the edges of H. Here one example, let G be a graph, let G be a graph whose vertex set the set of villages, whose vertex set of villages, and in which xy is a edge. If the possible to build a pipeline joining to the village X to village Y, we can then make G into a weighted graph. We can make G into a weighted graph. Here there are 6 villages A, B, C, D, E and F, and here A, B, A, B, C, D, E, F. Here weights 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 3. Now this is 3, 4, 4, 1, 5. That means here absent of age, here absent of age from C to F, here that means lack of this age from C to F means there is no pipeline. That means pipeline is not possible from village C to F. Pipeline is not possible village C to F. And these are weights 1, 2, 4, 5. That means this is construction cost. Construction cost from one village to construction cost of pipeline from one village to another village. Now this is a weighted graph. This is a weighted graph. We can find a spanning tree from this graph. That means minimum spanning tree. We can find a minimum spanning tree. We can find minimum spanning tree. Minimum weighted spanning tree. This is also called optimal tree of G. This is also called spanning minimum weighted spanning tree is also called optimal tree of G. This is a G graph G. This is a graph and this can be find out by Kruskal algorithm. Kruskal algorithm or and prime algorithm. Kruskal algorithm or prime algorithm. Here in Kruskal algorithm, first see Kruskal algorithm. In this algorithm, first choose an edge G which has the smallest weight among the edges. That means first choose which are smallest weight among the all edges. Here these two edges, AD or AB. Its weights 1, both edges weight. Choose any one from this. Then, but this is not a loop. See, this is not a loop, which are not a loop. Now, next, again, avoiding loops, we choose from the remaining edges. Again, avoiding loop, we can choose from the remaining edges one of the smallest weight possible which does not form a cycle. That means again choose smallest weight edge, remaining edges which does not form a cycle, with the already edges chosen. And we repeat this process taking edges of smallest weights among those not already chosen and provided not a cycle is formed with those that have been chosen. If the graph has a n vertices, we stop after having chosen n minus 1 edges. After n minus 1 edges, and these edges form a cyclic graph T, a cyclic subgraph T of a G. Here, step by step algorithm. Step first, choose E1 an edge of G such that W of E1 is as small as possible, and E1 is not loop. Now second, step second. If ages, if ages E1, E2 dash dash EI have been chosen, then choose an age, then choose an age EI plus 1, EI plus 1, not already chosen, not already chosen, such that first the indicated subgraph that or sorry, the induced subgraph, G of E1 U2 dash 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 EI plus 1 is acyclic, and second W of EI plus 1 is as small as possible, Now step third, if G has n vertices, stop after n minus after n minus 1 edges have been chosen, otherwise repeat the step 2, repeat the step again this way. See here in this graph, by Kusker's algorithm, find a minimum weighted spanning tree. See here, first choose AB. That means here okay. This one, that means it is suppose denoted by like this. Choose this edge. Now again here choose A B. Okay. Now again choose AD. choose this age. Its weight is 1. Its weight is also 1. Then these two is not a cycle. These two ages. Again, here, choose this or this from anyone. Choose this age, this age. That means again, if you choose this, here choose AD. Again, choose BC and BC. Now, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vertices, choose 5 edges. Now again, minimum weight. If we choose this, then it becomes cycle. So don't choose this CD now. Again, choose here from these two edges, anyone. Choose AE. Choose AE. See here, choose this edge, AE. Already this is chosen. This is also chosen. This is also chosen. Here, choose AE. Again, see here, choose this edge or this edge. Choose EF. Choose EF. That means here spanning 5 edges already chosen. So choose, sorry, this edge already chosen. Then this, A, B, C, D, E, F. Now this and EF. This is a tree. This is a tree. And this is minimum spanning tree. See here, weights of this. Weights of AB is 1 plus BC is 2 plus AD is 1 plus AE is 3 plus EF is 3. Total weight 10. The minimum weight is 10. That means minimum spanning tree is 10. Sorry, weight of minimum spanning tree is 10, and we can find minimum spanning tree by using Kruskal algorithm. In Kruskal algorithm, first choose any edge E1 such that W of E1 is as small as possible. Then choose edge E2 which is already not chosen, and weight of E2 is also minimum from remaining edges. One case is remember, that means this E2 is not a loop. See, E2 is not a loop, and continue this process up to n minus 1 edges chooses. If number of vertex are number of vertex is n, number of vertex is n. Okay, we stop here. Thank you.